Hey Joe, it's Paul Clark Communications. We spoke about 3, 4 weeks ago. I apologize for the delay. We've been swamped, and I think I told you that originally, but we had a great conversation. I really appreciated your time. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick, I guess, scenario or synopsis of kind of what I see. The plumber marketing company you're working with is doing a great job for you. Hats off to them. The site looks really good. A lot of great things. I really checked it out on mobile, and that's the most important part that I believe. I bet you most of your traffic is coming from mobile. It's a lot of click to call on your mobile, which is awesome. You're making it simple for the customers to get a hold of you. This looks really good. So there's just a couple of things. When I use a specific tool, Bright Local, and I can simulate a search in different areas, and it doesn't take into account any previous searches that I've done. And I've done it for a few different keywords. So when I come in here and I type plumber in Kelowna, British Columbia, I see your paid ad. I don't see the paid ad in here, and your guy probably knows this, but he can turn on the location site links and in the PPC ad campaigns, and this ad would also appear here. So you're getting pretty much a double chance of someone clicking on it. Much like this one here, like our North Bay one, Plumbing North Bay, Parada's Plumbing here, but he's got the location site link turned on, so it shows up here as well. Very powerful. That's just one tip. I would make sure to do that. If I search furnace repair, again, I see your paid ad here. This one says borderheating.ca. This one said borderheating.com. I don't know what the difference there is. It looks like it's the same phone number. Same phone number. He's playing off different URLs. That's fine. Again, I do HVAC repair, paid ad. But what I wanted to point out to you was you're not organically ranking very well. So this one here for plumber, you're ranking better for plumbers and plumbing than you are for heating and cooling, or HVAC repair, furnace repair, that sort of thing. You're ranking better for plumbers. So if I come back to furnace repair, then I'm not seeing you organically rank. This is number 3, not bad. HVAC repair, but up number 4, I guess not bad. I always like to see 1 and 2, but here for this word is heating and cooling. I don't think we're in here for a little bit yet. I don't know where you are. No, you're not ranking for that one. And that was North Bay. So, I mean, I'm not sure what he's doing on an SEO basis, but, if anything, I would be, throwing some more dollars and investing in an SEO campaign. But I'm not sure what you're doing there or what he's done there at this point. That's important. I'm going to pause this and just check one thing. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, Joe. I just wanted to go check another tool we use, Majestic, for your domain, just to kind of look at the strength of the domain and the amount of backlinks. And a backlink is basically a vote of confidence from another website to yours, and it passes power to yours. And you've got quite a few good-looking backlinks. Non-spammy backlinks. So that looks good as well. Site strength, trust flow of 10, citation flow of 21. That's pretty good. You want to have these numbers as close as possible. So I'd like to get trust flow up to 20. I'd have to take a look at your citation flow. Citation is your name, address, and phone number. Cited all over the web. Probably, that looks probably pretty good. But that's always things that you can do. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So one of the biggest tips I would suggest that you have your buddy do, it's one of the things that we've learned in the last 2 or 3 years running PPC ads, pay-per-click ads, is whenever you run a pay-per-click ad, you don't want to send them to your website, because when you're buying traffic, you want that traffic to convert at a higher level than organic. And when you send them back to this website, you have a good chance of losing them based on all the different options they have. So we use landing pages, which is a single one-page landing page, which would have the click to call, and perhaps a email form submit. I'm sure most of your business comes through on the phone. But if you send them here, chances are you might lose them. They might get busy. They might not. They just get, the focus isn't there because they can go here, they can go here, they can go so many different places. So we always drive paid traffic to a specific landing page. Other than that, listen, I mean, I can help you with some of that stuff, of course, but I think your guy's doing a very good job at what he's doing. If something ever happens there, by all means, reach out to us. If I can help you in the interim, by all means, I'm here to help. But, it looks like you've got a lot of great things happening. A couple little things. I think some more SEO would be appropriate, and I would change up the landing page stuff. I love the reviews you have. You have a lot of different reviews, so you probably have that on autopilot. I like the messenger chat box that opened up here when I first arrived. That was good. And then I'm not sure if you're doing anything currently on Facebook with Facebook bots, but we're getting heavily into Facebook bots because there's so much more you can do with those. So that might be a conversation down the road as well. Anyways, I just thought I'd reach out. I wanted to make sure I got back to you. I really appreciated the time you took to chat with me a month or so ago. And if I can ever help out, by all means, reach back out to me. Okay? Thanks. Appreciate your time. Bye-bye for now.